Alright you guys, so today we're jumping back onto the Scout right here. We're going to be replacing the spark plug wires. I went ahead and picked up a generic kit off of Amazon with some spark plug wires, the boots, the connectors, and I also picked up a pair of these crimping pliers right here to connect the connectors to the wires right here, I believe. So we're going to go on ahead and head out to the Scout. We're going to just start pulling a wire one at a time, and we're going to start doing just one wire at a time until we get done with it here. So stick around if you'd like to check it out, and let's get on it. Alright guys, so before we start putting these together right here, I went out and I picked up some dielectric grease. It looks like we're probably going to want to use that around here when we go to put on the boots right here, because it's going to be a really tight fit. So we're going to be using some dielectric grease on that. And then now in the kit they gave us two different types of boots and connectors. This connector is for the type of distributor where you just kind of push it down and it clicks on to the distributor. But I believe the one that we're going to want to use is going to be this one right here. This one is the type that it just clicks into it just slides into the hole on the distributor on the top of it. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about a little more out there at it. But I believe these are the ones that we're going to want to use on this right here. So yeah, let's get on out there and let's get on it. So the first wire we're going to be replacing right here, I'm just going to do the coil wire. So we're going to pull that one off first right here. And we'll go ahead and get this measured, and we'll cut the new one and see how it goes. All right, guys, bear with me as I've never done this before, so it's going to be a first for both of us right here. So first things first, I'm going to match up the ends right here. So I'm going to start right there, and then this one ends right about here. So I'm going to cut this one right here with my cutters. Okay, now that I got that cut down a little bit, I'm going to go on ahead and get this one stripped right here. So to strip it, I have these pliers right here. From my understanding, I can just set it in here a little bit past the stripper mark, and then I should be able to go ahead and get it cut and stripped back right here. All right, there we go. All right, looks like it's not cutting these strands good enough on my stripper, so I'm going to adjust it right here to tighten it a little bit more. So we'll go ahead and get that tightened up and see if that'll help us here. Alright, so for these I'm just going to trim these up with a pair of scissors right here just to kind of clean it up. And then we'll be able to get this hopefully dialed in here on this other one, on the next one here. Alright, so now from my understanding we're going to want to take this wire and fold it back and set it on into here like so. Alright guys, so we got the connector on here. Now we're going to go on ahead and install our boot, and then we should be good here. So I'm going to put a little bit of dielectric grease on this. Try and help this glide through the boot right here a little easier. So let's just try slipping that into here. Now I think I should put these on here, put the boots on before next time. I just didn't think about it on this one right here. Alright, so now we got the coil wire done right here. We're just going to start from the beginning right here, and we're just going to go around to each of them here. Wow. Yeah, I'm pretty glad I'm replacing these right here. They definitely don't look that great, so. Alright guys, now that we got that one trimmed down, we're going to go on ahead and just do the same thing as the last one right here, where we take this and we set it into here like so, and we will get it crimped on down here. Right, now with this we should be able to get this put back onto here and get it on the truck. Alright, we got it. Let's go on and get it on. Alright you guys, so it's going to be pretty much the same process for all the other wires right here. Just like I was mentioning before on the tip that I put on there before, if you guys are going to leave a wire overnight, get it to the proper length and everything. It's just a bit of a pain to slide the boot more the next day. All right, guys, so now one thing I'm also doing right here is I'm shortening the boot that goes over the spark plug right here, because I can't get it to move and it's a little bit too long for my spark plugs. So I have this, it's a PVC cutter, but it actually does a pretty awesome job cutting just like a very little bit off of this right here. So I can just open this up right here, I can set it where I want it, and then from there I can just go on ahead and cut it, and it cuts a nice clean line off of there. So little hack if you guys need to do that there. All right, so we've got the spark plug wires all replaced and made up with the new ones right here. The next step is I'm going to replace the cap and the rotor right now. When I was putting them all together right here and taking the old ones out, the old ones are breaking off inside of the cap right there. So can't hurt, so I'm going to get a new cap and rotor and get that installed right now. Now this type of distributor cap, it looks like, to be honest with you, it looks like the one right off of my Mustang. But I went ahead and I ordered a new one, so I'm going to go pick that up here in a minute. And I also got a new rotor, but I want to make sure that I got the right one before I go pick it up here. All right, so yeah, it looks like we got the right type of rotor here for it, so let's get it on here. All right, you guys, so now we got the new distributor cap. We're going to go ahead and get this installed here. All right, guys, so in order to go ahead and swap these over here, I'm just going to start at the number 1 right here, move it over here, and then just go around in order how it is on here. So we'll just transfer them over here, and then we should be good to go. All right, you guys, so we got our new spark plug wires made up and on here. We've got our new distributor cap as well as rotor on here. So we should be all set on this right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in any of the parts that I used, of course, I'll have some affiliate links listed in the description below. If you do click on one of those affiliate links and purchase it through it, it does give us a little bit of a commission and helps the channel out. So again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.